Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video we can solve the value of this expression, which is 6 minus 6 multiplied by 3 divided by 6. So how we can find the value of this equation? For this, according to PEMDAS, according to the rule of operation, which is PEMDAS, PEMDAS. Okay, so here P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponential, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. Okay, so here division, multiplication and subtraction is included. So here in this method, first of all we can solve multiplication. So the value of 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Okay, so I can write here 18 divided by 6 minus 6. Okay, then multiplication and division. Now the value of 18 divided by 6 is 3. Okay, minus 6. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So our final answer is 3. If anywhere you can face an issue, then please comment.